Hi everyone, welcome to Fuzzy App. In this video, I'll show you how to create an eye-catching and professional YouTube thumbnail using Canva. Canva is an amazing design tool, super user-friendly and free to use. Before we dive in, let's quickly talk about why a good thumbnail is important. A well-designed thumbnail can significantly boost your video's click-through rate, leading to more views and greater reach. Let's get started. First, log into your Canva account and click on the YouTube thumbnail icon. Canva provides a predefined frame size of 1280 by 720 pixels, which is perfect for YouTube thumbnails. You don't have to worry about resizing, it's already optimized for YouTube, saving you time and ensuring your thumbnail looks professional. Now let's switch to YouTube and check where the thumbnail is uploaded. I'll log into my account and navigate to the video upload section. Here, you'll see the Add Thumbnail option. Let's click the small question mark icon next to it to review YouTube's guidelines. Size: 1280 by 720 pixels, 16 by 9 ratio. File size: no larger than 2 megabytes. File formats: JPG, PNG, or GIF. Since Canva already follows these guidelines, you're good to go, but it's always a good idea to double check. Back in Canva, you'll find an array of predefined templates and designs. These are great if you're in a hurry, but starting from scratch lets you create a personalized and unique look. Canva offers styles for text and backgrounds, elements like shapes and icons, animations for added flair. Let's explore a few options before jumping into creating a thumbnail from scratch. I'll start with the background. A gradient background works really well for YouTube thumbnails because it grabs attention. Let's search for gradient backgrounds in Canva and choose one. I'll try a few options to see what works best. All right, I am searching for Canva gradient background and here are the options. Let's try this and adjust it to the background. You can try different options based on your preference. Let's use this Canva-themed blue background and see if it looks good. This design is only available in the paid version, as can be seen from the Pro sign on this design. Let's search for more options and see what can work here. All right, this one looks good. Now select this image and right-click on it. Now select the option, Set Image as Background from the menu. It takes few seconds. Next, let's add text. Canva provides custom fonts and predefined text styles. Let's try a few combinations until we find something bold and readable. For this tutorial, I'll use the title, Create Stunning Subtitles in Canva. I'll adjust the font size, color, and style to make sure it stands out, even on small screens. To make the thumbnail more engaging, I'll add a photo. Click on Elements in the sidebar and search for a photo by providing a description, like man with a surprised look. Select a photo, then use Canva's background remover to make it pop. I'll also flip the photo horizontally so it faces the text. This creates better visual balance. Now let's add some fun elements. A curved arrow pointing to the Canva logo, instead of writing the word Canva. Let's search for the curved arrow in the Elements search bar, and you can see you have multiple options to choose from. We will select the arrow from the graphics sections as it is easy to change the graphical element's color. I'll flip it vertically and horizontally to match my design idea. We can change the color if we want. Now let's add a Canva logo from the Elements tab on the bottom right side of our design. To make it more dynamic, I'll add it inside a circular frame. I'll adjust the sizes and positions of these elements until everything looks cohesive. To emphasize the theme, let's add an element related to subtitles. I'll search for subtitles in Elements, choose a design, and position it on the thumbnail. I'll keep the color black for contrast. Now our thumbnail is ready. To download the file, click Download in the top menu. Select a file format, JPG or PNG, that meets YouTube's guidelines. Adjust the file size to ensure it stays under 2 megabytes. Let's download and double-check the file. Perfect. And that's it. We've created a professional, eye-catching YouTube thumbnail using Canva. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more design tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.